Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to apply for a job through ASHA, the American Speech, Language, and Hearing Association. So first what you have to do is you have to go to the top bar here and click on Career. When you click on Career here, it shows you a bunch of different things. First, working with ASHA is like you can join what joining the staff means, things for like employers, recruitment, and then the career fair, which is important. But what you're going to go to is you're going to go to enter the career portal. And then from here, you're going to scroll down to the bottom and go to where it says find a job and upload a resume. You're going to click upload a resume. Then what you have to do is you have to create a profile. So you're going to fill out your first name, last name, email address. Then you create a password. And then you'll click choose a file, upload whatever resume you have, and then you'll press save and continue. After that, once you upload that, then you'll have to click find a job. And then find a job here. Right here it shows you the job listings they have around the country and what employers are hiring. But if you scroll down a little more, they give you the most top featured jobs here in speech language pathology. So if you want to do, you can type into ASHA here whatever you want to specialize in. So we'll go with speech language pathology, and then location will just say Pittsburgh. Search. And then it'll come up here with the top jobs in Pittsburgh. So then you'll click right here where it says speech language pathologist in Pittsburgh. And it tells you a little bit about the job, some key functions about the company that you would work for, and then your qualifications that you need, and location. So that's how you can find a job through ASHA. Thank you for listening to my screencast.